Amelia Ghosh. So, welcome back to my channel. So, Durga Puja is gone and now it's time for Diwali. So, before starting this video, happy Diwali to everyone. And I have curated this makeup look for you guys because it's Diwali time. So, Diwali is all about glam and glitters and shine bright and do look your best, है ना. तो मेकअप तो थोड़ा वाइब्रेंट तो बनता है. सो आई हैव मेड दिस blue eyeshadow look and this makeup entirely for Diwali so that everyone should look glamorous. आपको जो मन चाहे आप पहनो but look your best. Okay, so I know I'm coming after a long time and ये वीडियो मैं दिवाली स्पेशली दिवाली के लिए बना रही हूँ because Diwali is around the corner and just after Durga Puja Diwali is there, so it's back to back festival time and this is the best time of the year and there are so many festivals and we Indians become so happy. I know every day there is a party in your friend's place or relative's place, so you can create different kind of looks. So one of them you can create this eyeshadow makeup look as well. It's a blue eyeshadow makeup look and it complements with my outfit completely and look your best this Diwali. Everyone should look their best. So without even waiting further, let's get started with the video. Bye. तो पहले हम अपना फाउंडेशन लगा लेते हैं क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी अपना स्किन प्रेप कर लिया था क्रीम वगैरह से. सो विदाउट इवन डिलेइंग जस्ट लेट्स पुट द फाउंडेशन विच इज़ बाय टिट अगेन. आपको सब पता ही होगा मैं कौन सा मेकअप वगैरह यूज़ करती हूँ. तो नाउ विल टेक द कॉम्पैक्ट एंड जस्ट blend the makeup, neutralize करें. It's looking much better right now. As you can see, it's fully set. Now it's time for my favorite part, the eyeshadow part. So as we are wearing a blue saree, so I'm gonna create a blue and a golden eyeshadow makeup look today. जिसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत कम ब्लू मेकअप करती हूँ because it gives little bit of loud look, but for Diwali why not, it should be glamorous, right? So let's start with the blue eyeshadow. Okay, पहले हम थोड़ा काजल से इसको एक लाइन दे देंगे. इसके ऊपर जितना भी मेकअप होगा we will be doing the eyeshadow because it will be a little bit of smoky look definitely. मैंने उतना भी डिफाइन करके नहीं किया क्योंकि ये तो स्मज आउट हो जाएगा इसीलिए. तो सिर्फ हल्का सा लगा लिया. नाउ द रियल गेम स्टार्ट्स. ओके, gonna take a blue eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty and to set the brown base. Just completely make it brown. So my both the eyeshadows are done in both the eyes. You can see the look.
It's completely blend out and it's looking nice, but it's not finished yet. So we're gonna take a glitter. We're gonna take this glitter and put it in the corner of our eyes.
Okay. To complete the look, we'll take a highlighter by Milani, and this highlighter is very subtle and very nice. It gives you a very natural shine. So we're gonna put this highlighter on top of our eye makeup over here to blend it out, which will give a very natural shine. Blending वाला एक look आ जाएगा कि blend किया. Can you see the blending? I'm putting little bit of golden. मैंने already ये golden shade लिया है. I'm gonna just try. Okay, I'm not sure about this golden thing, but I'll just try a little bit. क्योंकि इसमें golden है. Oh, it's looking okay. Not bad. I'm gonna use mascara.
Now,
Before starting your, eyebrow painting, always brush it nicely.
अगर हो सके तो वैक्स लगा लो, eyebrow wax. That is the best thing, which I also use mostly. But today I will not use because my eyebrows are not done plucked properly. तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. So let's put the eyebrows.
Eyebrows are done. It's all looking on point. ये जो eyebrows का जो brush होता है ना, I love these kind of brushes to finish your eye makeup as well. लेकिन you should not mix the brushes mostly. इसलिए मैं जो बचा कुचा जो उसका जो शेड रहता है ना, इसको यहाँ से ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ अपने वाटर लाइन पे. Okay, now we gonna do the bronzing part. Okay, we're gonna use a bronzer by Ted Baker again. We're gonna take this shade and see, एक light brown आ रहा है. Put a little bit of bronzer always over here. It will give a shade to your look makeup. It looks very nice. Natural look आता है. Then we gonna take a very thin brush and contour the nose. The blushing part is not yet done, so I'm gonna use a blusher by Milani today.
It's a very subtle baby pink color. Then we're gonna apply the highlighter, okay?
A shade by Maybelline. This lipstick.
And the shade is 225.
So we will shade little bit. I'm gonna apply this gloss by Milani. इसका नाम है Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. I think I have a lot of Milani products because they are good, and it is somewhat looks like this glittery. ये जो stone बिंदीज है, it doesn't last for long, so I will try my old hack, which is with the kajal, and I'm gonna put a bindi here. So my look is ready completely. So this is my Diwali look, and I hope it is easy and subtle and glamorous at the same time. I know blue is a little offbeat color which I don't usually wear, but I love this blue sari. मेरे पास ये बहुत टाइम से था, लाइक 6 साल से था मेरे पास. मैंने कभी इसको स्टाइल ही नहीं किया, तो मैंने सोचा इस दिवाली कुछ अलग एंड कुछ वाइब्रेंट तो बनता है. दिवाली इज ऑल अबाउट कलर्स एंड glitter, so look your best, guys. So I know many of you are supporting me in this journey and following my channel. It's almost going to be 100 followers, and I'm so overwhelmed, and I'm so thankful to you guys. For me those 100 followers means 1 million followers to me. Pata nahi, it's a long journey. I have to grow slowly, and trust me, it requires a lot of hard work and consistency to be a YouTuber. जो मुझे पता नहीं था, मेरी बहन इतना टाइम से कर रही है, like she is doing YouTube since last 10 years. It requires a lot of hard work, guys. So I appreciate all the YouTubers जो भी ये करते हैं, and it gives you result if you're consistent in it, and if you give your hard work, and if you give something, you know, knowledgeable to the viewers. So I hope you are liking my content and my videos. Thank you for all your support, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. And once again, happy Diwali to you and your family. We'll be back again with another makeup tutorial. So till then, bye, take care.